We're here at a hotel near the Paris Air Show talking with General Robling, the Deputy Marine Commandant for Aviation. General Robling, Secretary Gates put the F-35B on probation, saying he was worried about the plane's ability to perform. You're doing better on tests. Can you get the plane off of probation early?
He would like us to get off probation early because this connotation that probation is a negative thing. And the answer to your question straight out is we're doing very well. We've made up all of our test points from 2010. We're 133% ahead of schedule for 2011, which is a good thing. We're on track for taking the aircraft for shipboard testing in October, which is on track and will be on time. And we should complete that testing by the end of November.
So to boil it down, you do think the plane is worth the money, worth the capability, and should be taken off probation, presuming it meets all the test points?
I do. I mean, I think it's a disruptive technology that the nation needs, gives the Marine Corps the capability to go on 22 capital ships, 4 deployed, vice just 11 on aircraft carriers. I think that's an important gap filler that the nation and our country needs. And then I think the aircraft, the price is the initial production comes off the line will be a little bit high, and it'll be up to us to reduce that cost and reduce sustainment costs. But we think we can do that, and I think that's why this aircraft ought to come off probation a little bit earlier than 2 years.
Critics on Capitol Hill have called for funding for the V-22 to be cut completely. Is it worth the money and treasure and blood that we've put into it so far, and why?
I think we've proven on those votes on Capitol Hill that we've overwhelmingly have more supporters of the program than we do detractors. The detractors looked at many things: cost per flight hour, and readiness. And in all of those areas, we've been able to reduce to what I think is an acceptable level when you look at the technology that this aircraft brings. Use a Libya operation as just one example. The only aircraft in the world that could take off from a ship, go into the airplane mode, get to that down pilot as fast as it could, land vertically and pick him up and get him back to the ship. As a technology that just one use of that technology that is very, very important to not just the Corps but the nation.
What does that mean to the Marine on the ground?
It's making a huge difference. Now he has the confidence that he's going to be resupplied on time, or that he can get the support that he needs on time, not just in terms of food and water, but in terms of ammunition, reinforcements, medical capabilities and support, those types of things.
Thank you, General.
You're welcome.